guys, welcome to another video. So right now I'm just prepping some food so I can get it ready. I'm gonna head up to the Berrics and go skate today. And I'm just putting together like basically my staple meal. So it's kale and some type of meat. So right now I'm doing chicken thighs, and I'm gonna show you guys how easy and simple it is to just basically prep ahead. And if you don't like kale, this is a simple, easy trick to steam it and make it taste pretty decent. So what I do is just throw the kale in the pan with a little bit of water and throw the lid on and let it cook for about 5 minutes. So this way it's gonna steam it up and get it nice and soft. And then after it's cooked, I'm gonna weigh out my chicken thighs. So I already have I usually cook up to 2 pounds at a time, so that way the meat stays fresh. And then I'm gonna pull out 6 ounces for this meal, throw it in here, mix it all together, and then I will be throwing it in this little Tupperware, take with me to go. And then over here, I'm gonna show you guys my fat sources. So these are basically my main sources of fat. So we got almond butter, coconut oil, and coconut manna. These are great to have, they're easy, they're very, very calorie dense. So I usually add about 30 grams of one of them. So I think I'm gonna go with 30 grams of almond butter. I'm gonna put it in a little container to go. I'm gonna put about 5 to 10 grams on the actual meal itself. And then this is just amazing. I always like to save this for nighttime. I'll mix it with like some Pro Zero and it just tastes really damn good. And over here we have Pro Zero Banana Maple French Toast. If you guys haven't tried this yet, what are you waiting for? It is hands down the best tasting plant protein on the market, or on the planet, I'd have to say. And I just put 30 grams in this little container, so I have it with me just in case I need a quick protein source later in the day. Very convenient and easy to take with you on the go. 6 ounces. So I'm gonna let this all then cook together and then throw it in my container and we're ready to go. Yeah, we still got the rental. Where are you going?
Back to the gym. How are you?
Damn, I'm going to the Berrics to go skating.
Oh, you are?
Yeah, I'm doing my cardio. See you later, bye. You guys ready for this? So guys, that was Raquel Simon. She is an HBN athlete as well as an IFBB Bikini Pro. And she actually has her pro debut show coming up pretty soon. So right now she's prepping. And Sean Torbati, he's the one that's prepping her. So pretty excited for her. And hopefully I'll be able to make it to her show to see her compete. But now we are gonna head to the Berrics to go skate. Alright guys, and we just stopped at the store real quick to grab a gallon of water. Hydration is very important. And I'm also gonna take 5 capsules of PA7. PA7 is an mTOR elevator and a nutrient partitioner. And it's not just all about building muscle, it's all about performance as well. PA7 will definitely help with your performance, as skateboarding, you guys are athletes. And also in gym performance, it will help you increase your strength and lean mass. I fully stand by it. It's a great supplement, and it actually is going back in stock this Friday. So don't miss it, guys. Last time it sold out and we were out for like a few weeks. So a lot of people were DMing me, asking me when is it gonna be back in stock. So this Friday, PA7 will be back in stock. Alright guys, we are back home from the Berrics, and I'm sure you guys were expecting to see some skate clips. I wasn't really feeling that well today, but the other day I did film with Chase. I filmed a segment for the Berrics website, which I'm really excited for. It's going to be coming out tomorrow on Thursday, so hopefully this vlog will be up by tomorrow, which it should be. So definitely go to theberrics.com and check it out. I'm super stoked on it because I haven't filmed a clip like that in a long time, and today was like, it really bummed me out, but you know, I can't really get bummed out because of all the progress that I've made. I've really made a great deal of progress between just getting my conditions under control and feeling better. And I'm sure you guys can just see it in the way I feel, the way I'm talking, the way in my videos, how much content I'm producing. I've made some really drastic improvements in terms of brain health, just overall well-being. So that's going great. I'm really grateful to be feeling a lot better. It's just like my skate performance, you know, and I can't get down on myself because I'm not skating the way I want to, and I know what I'm capable of doing. And obviously you guys know what I'm capable of doing, but it's just my condition is holding me back, you know, with having adrenal fatigue, Hashimoto's, and Candida. You know, all those three things, it could be one of them that's really causing the majority of the fatigue, but I have made great improvements and I'm really thankful to have improved this much. So definitely go check out that clip. I'd like to hear what you guys think. And also, if you guys are in the Orange County, Costa Mesa area, on Saturday the 27th, there is an HPN block party. I did talk about this in a previous vlog, but the date got pushed to this Saturday. It's going to be from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. at the HPN headquarters. All the details will be in the description box below. There's going to be a PR competition, push-up contest, prizes, giveaways, celebrity guest appearances. It's going to be just a big old great event. And being part of something like Make-A-Wish is just, it just feels good, you know, you just feel like you're doing something good and just really giving back to those who are unfortunate. Really looking forward to this event, so hopefully you guys can make it out, and I'd be looking forward to meeting each and every one of you guys as well. And that's basically gonna wrap up today's vlog. I really wanted to film clips at the Berrics today, but you know what, I couldn't do it, but there'll be a clip coming out tomorrow, which I'm super pumped on. And you know, I really have to practice what I preach. I always put out so much positive stuff and talk about being patient. And you know, I always get so wrapped up in trying to put out messages to help other people, and then I never even take it into consideration for myself and take time for myself. So yeah, I definitely beat myself up a little bit too much, but we're all our own worst critique, and yeah, it is what it is. So I'm definitely gonna practice what I preach a lot more and be a lot more patient and just be consistent like I've been doing with everything. And I am improving, but you know, I'm not where I want to be. You know, I can't just snap my finger and be at that level that I was when I was one of the top pros, you know. So it's just basically being patient, being consistent, being positive, and you know, I'll get back there. So yeah, alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Sorry if it was just kind of a lot of talking, but you know, it's one of many vlogs. There'll be so many more to come. And once again, thanks to each and every one of you guys for watching, and more content is coming soon. Peace.